keeps moisture in the skin. The idea that skin itself is health and health is skin. That's what this Atomy body lotion is about. Not just saying that it's refreshing, but it has herbs like these. Hello, I'm Eun-sang Lee, a professional creator at Atomy. Don't leave. I can't live without you. Don't leave. Don't leave. Who am I telling not to leave? It's the moisture in our skin. It'll keep moisture in our skin. Let me introduce the product of the day that will make your skin smooth and moist. It's Atomy Body Lotion. Many of you would have at least one ideal goal and one utopia just like everyone. It's the same for the skin. You will think of it as smooth, moist, and commonly referred to as porcelain skin for baby skin. How much effort are you making for that kind of skin? If there are people who care, they would focus on their face and they wouldn't pay much attention to their body. But the body is skin and the face is skin too. There was a time when my skin was really in bad condition. What I felt then, I thought that skin was health and health was skin itself. I thought that just as we need to take care of our health regularly, we need to take care of our skin in the same way. From then on, the most important first step for the skin I thought was moisturizing. Refreshing smell with good moisturization, which can even be applied smoothly. If there is such a body lotion, this is Atomy Body Lotion. The price is 8,500 won, 2,500 PB. Now, let me show you the formulation. Once pumped, it feels like a lotion-like formulation. So when I roll it, it feels like it's absorbed well into the skin. Looking at these, moisturizers are usually greasy. This absorbs so neatly. Isn't the moisturizing duration short? You would think so. As I will tell you in detail later, it contains natural tangerine essential oil. So it forms a thin protective film, prevents moisture from vaporizing quickly. Besides, it's applied freshly, whereas regular moisturizers have a sticky feeling. It was always sad. There are 8 herbs ingredients in it, so it's really applied neatly. That's the most important part. Let me tell you about those 8 herbs. Chamomile, lavender, Hotuinia cordata, Portulaca oleracea, marshmallow, fennel, basil, and rosemary. These are those 8 kinds. So I'm not saying it's fresh with just a sentimental feeling, but because it contains herbs, it literally gives a fresh feeling. And this herb isn't just simply made, it's made from a really clean, natural environment. Everyone thinks herbs are good. Some people brew them and drink them as tea. Even cosmetic companies call it herbal therapy, and they're releasing a lot of such products. Those herbs are contained in the body lotion. The herb not only gives a refreshing feeling, but also calms the skin. Me and you, we're all under a lot of stress. Then people around us will say, calm down, calm down. In English, calm down. That's what they do. Our skin is equally stressed. So, with these 8 kinds of herbs, it seems to heal our skin. Because it has good ingredients. If you say, I think my skin needs something soothing, I recommend you try it. Herbs that help calm the skin, it will definitely help you. It moisturizes well, it calms the skin well, it applies neatly. Having said that, you would think you should definitely buy Atomy Body Lotion. It even balances oil and moisture. Moisture alone is not enough to maintain healthy skin. Oil and moisture need to be properly balanced for healthy skin. So how do we get the oil? Atomy Lotion's natural tangerine essential oil does the job. There's moisture in our skin. Then, the essential oil does a back hug like this from behind. Don't go anywhere. Outside the skin, it's dangerous. Stay here. Then the moisture goes like, yes, I understand. Was the expression too much? This effect keeps the moisture from vaporizing. People who have dry skin, people who have quick dry skin, those who say that their skin is a bit dry, I'll tell you for sure that you can see the effect. Even if you smell it, it smells like tangerine. I said it's apple water, but this apple water even takes care of dead skin cells. Which part of our body is the most neglected? Head, shoulders, knees or feet, knees or feet. We don't really take care of our feet, but the feet we don't care about much. Take a look for yourself. Some people have calluses on their feet. If you do not take care of the dead skin cells, the skin layer becomes thick and this can lead to dryness again. Now, with this natural apple water in it, it helps to take care of dead skin cells and makes our skin elastic and moist. This clean apple water makes our skin smooth and shiny. After digging into Atomy body lotion one by one like this, I can't help but talk about cosmetic trends these days. These days, the cosmetic trend shows that the sale of color cosmetics has significantly reduced. Instead, sales of skincare products increased. Atomy body lotion that I introduced today, it's a skincare product as well. Besides, people are very aware of health these days. So as it used natural herbs, essential oil, and apple water, etc., ingredients that can be obtained from nature, I really thought we seem to be thinking a lot about our health these days. In addition, including lead and arsenic, we tested for detection of 9 hazardous substances. Then there's the microbiological test as well. We've even checked to see if there's a sufficient amount. Be sure to try the Atomy body lotion. I hope that you will turn your tired and dehydrated skin into more vibrant, smooth, and beautiful skin like me. One last thing I want to say to you. I think that skin is not something that we have to take care of just for cosmetic purposes in order to be pretty. I said that skin is health. Health is skin. Like going to the hospital when your skin isn't well, I want you to constantly take care of it. With this Atomy body lotion, I really hope you can make healthy skin while soothing your skin. Because your skin is always precious, we recommend that you take care of it together. I am Eun Sang Lee, a professional creator at Atomy.